Here's how to avoid TurboTax fees. So TurboTax has different products that you can pay for, although the cheapest one is actually a free edition of TurboTax. So let's see what you have to pay right now. Or if you're starting out, I'll show you how to start from free here in a couple minutes. But this price preview in the upper right actually shows you what you're currently signed up for and what it's going to cost you. So you can see your product preview. I have this online do-it-yourself premium right now, so it's $109. I haven't even gotten to the state yet. That might be an additional amount on this, basically on this product for TurboTax. Now, how do I avoid these fees? Do I need to actually pay them? And the answer is probably no if you're on one of those even higher upgraded plans. In the lower left, you're going to see this little switch products button. And if we toggle that down, we probably see upgrade and downgrade and clear and start over. Now you might not see downgrade, I'll tell you why in a second, but if you do see downgrade, that's the easiest way to get back to the free edition. So we hit downgrade and it's going to tell you all the things that you're going to lose access to, but you might not even be using them all anyway. And you can say downgrade to the free edition. Now, why wouldn't you be able to see downgrade? There are a couple other modes or editions of TurboTax. If I hit the upgrade button, you're going to see two tabs here. The do-it-yourself tab, which has free, deluxe, and premium. We were on this premium right now. Then there's the real experts tab. So this is like the assisted modes, and it has the same thing, basic, deluxe, premium. So if you happened to not sign up for the right one, this one here, you cannot downgrade back to premium or downgrade back to free. You'll have to just clear and start over to get back to free. All that means is yes, you can start over, but you will have to completely start over all your information. Whereas downgrading just switches the product so you don't have to lose anything you've put in. So you can clear and start over. And if you do, that gets you back to the first page, and I'll show you how you can get to free from there. And if you're just joining this section of the video because you hadn't started with TurboTax yet, you're just wanting to know how to avoid the fees, here's how to start for free. So I'm going to go ahead and clear my tax data. And so I'll have to clear and start over. Hopefully you guys could just downgrade if you were watching this video. But we're going to start on this page, right? And this is like the beginning page, right? It takes you through step by step. So if you just signed up or just created an account or you're just signing in for the next year, you're going to start here pretty much. You're going to say, got it. And then you're not going to check mark any of these. This is to have TurboTax recommend you a product. So don't check mark those, hit continue, and make sure you say you're comfortable doing it on your own. It's still step by step and guided, but you don't have the expert assistant mode, which kind of might have gotten you into a pickle in the first place. So we are comfortable doing it on our own because we can always upgrade. TurboTax will always let you upgrade, but you can't always downgrade. So here we go. It recommends the do-it-yourself free edition. 37% of taxpayers qualify. It's a simple return only. You might have to upgrade to like deluxe or something, but you can start for free. And if you ever do have to, it'll tell you in there that you have to upgrade a little bit. And then you start to fill out your actual questions. In my case, I did file my own taxes last year, so I'll hit continue on that. And it's going to take you back to that dashboard page. Now, if you do end up having to pay anything, there is also an affiliate link in the description that helps support this channel, but it gets you 20% off of any TurboTax product that you do have to pay for. So if you do have to upgrade to deluxe or something and pay on that next level after free, you actually still get that 20% off using that link in the description. After you click it, you just sign in or you create an account and it will just take you through and give you that discount. That is how you can file your taxes for free and also avoid TurboTax fees. Hopefully this helped you out and hopefully this saved you some of those fees. That's how you can get back to free and save on the fee. I did not mean to rhyme that. Take care, you guys. I appreciate your support. I'll see you in the next one.